At Country Life Natural Foods, we really value the source and quality of our products. That's why we get many of our beans from a local Michigan farm, Ferris Organic Farms. So we went to visit them to learn more about their story.
Hi, I'm Sylvie Ferris.
I'm Richard Ferris.
And we are Ferris Organic Farm. So the farm started 6th generation back. Richard Ferris, coming from New York, took the land and it started right there. And then we kept the farm for 6th generation. And then after that, we start to grow ourselves. And how we do it is you put the beans in the spring like this, June, and it's harvested about October, November. Then it goes to a drying process. Then after they are cleaned, sorted, and then it's put in the bag, and then it's ready to be for the public, for the customers.
We believe in purchasing local as much as possible, so that's why we're proud partners with Ferris Farms Organic and hope you will join us in supporting them as well.